I hope you can see this. This is Dad going out to put out food for the birds. They come to that tree,
Opened the door and took it.
but it's so cold. And no, it's too cold for me, Mother. We have bird seed and suet, and we bought a little plastic container. And Dad's trying to hang it so we can feed the birds. What's he doing? He should have hung it the other way, Mom. Or the long way. He hung it the short way. Oh, here we go. No, not on that little twig. Dad, put it on a heavier branch. It'll fall off that one, won't it? You don't think so? Why, that's good. Look at all the snow, by the way. Yuck.
Yeah, they're rounder now.
The birds are out around, he said. Let's see how long it'll take to get a little bird. Oh, here they come, here they come. No, they flew up in the tree. They'll be here soon. But everybody's going to fall asleep watching this on YouTube. Waiting for the birds to come.
Waiting for the birds.
I think I'll turn it off.